Today, we'll learn how to display different types of messages in Streamlit. We'll build a simple login validation app while learning 4 important message functions. Let's get started.
Sometimes we want to tell users that everything worked correctly. For example, login successful, registration complete, file uploaded. In Streamlit, we use st.success. Let's write import Streamlit as st.success, login successful. Run the application. You'll see a green success message. Change the text yourself. st.success, payment completed. You can use any message you want. Now, let's display an error. Suppose a user enters the wrong password. We can show an error message. st.error, invalid username or password. Run the application. Now you'll see a red error box. Sometimes we don't have an error, but we want to warn the user. For example, the user forgot to enter their name. st.warning. Please enter your name. Run the app. Now you'll see a yellow warning message. Sometimes we simply want to provide information. For example, tell the user that a feature is under development. st.info. New features coming soon. Run the application. You'll see a blue information message. Now let's use everything together. Run the application. Now try these different cases. In case 1, leave both fields empty. Click Login. You'll get a warning. In case 2, enter username, admin, password, 1234. Click Login. You'll see a green success message. In case 3, enter the wrong password. Now you'll get a red error message. Congratulations! You've created a simple login validation app using Streamlit messages.